let me share to you some big idea. The biggest mistake I had when I was running ad for the first time was not that I had a wrong offer and pangit yung creative ko kasi up until now naman hindi naman talaga gano'n ka-aesthetic yung creative ko but it converts. The biggest mistake I had was ignoring the fact na even online marketing, it's always a numbers game. You have to consider the fact na lahat ng mga nakakita ng ads mo ngayon, there are people who will say no, and there are people na you'll get a chance to get a yes. Ignoring the ratio will make you emotional every now and then, every time na mag-run ka ng ads. So next time, you have to remember na it's a numbers game. 70% ang matamaan ng ads mo will ignore you always. 70%. Sa 30% na yon, only 10%, again, only 10% will say yes right away. Even nga sa international market, yung average nila is 1.5. Pinagpala na sila na Panginoon if you get 3%. Right? Sa lahat ng online campaign yan. So, ang remaining nito, na 90%, ito yung kailangan mong i-nurture. Magkaiba po yung nurturing and magkaiba yung follow-up and nurturing. Follow-up is, meron siyang time frame na 7 days to 30 days. 70% na kailangan mong i-nurture is a long-term game. Right? So, you can do this via Messenger, follow-up, and email, or kung meron kang mga tao na pwedeng suhulan. But before mo to siya gawin, number 1, requirement, kailangan mo muna silang i-segment. Then number 2, automate. In order to not in any order. So mandatory yan. You can only automate effectively if you segment the people the right way. And itong 70%, action plan mo dito, long-term nurture. Now, why do you need to do this? It is because you need to consider the fact that there are 3 behaviors of buyer. Number 1, they buy instantly. No-brainer na sa kanila yung offer. Basically, these are the people who are problem and solution aware. Number 2, they buy based on exposure. They've seen you over and over again. And these are typically buyers who are already problem aware. And number 3, there are buyers who buy based on time. Kaya meron tayong long-term nurture. Kasi kung sa Bisaya pa, dugay mo dugo. Right? Mahirap paduguin. So, yun lang. I hope I was able to share a valuable lesson to you today. And if you like this kind of video, let me know. And if you have any question, let me know in the chat. And I should be able to get back to you if time permits. Right? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. For now, buyers.